Ever felt like you're facing business challenges alone? Let me tell you how my community helped me push through and succeed. Whenever I felt things not moving or I felt overwhelmed, my community was there to support me. They helped me push through the tough times and gave me the encouragement I needed to keep going. They didn't just offer the help, they also gave me real advice and solutions. It's one thing to try and figure out things out by yourself on your own, but having people who have been there where you are guiding you, it's priceless. Because this community, I have growth not only in my business, but also my mindset. They've shown me what's possible, and I'm so grateful for that. If you're ready to join a community that will help you overcome challenges and grow your business, tap I am ready in the comments and I'll show you how to get started.